Hello everyone, and through this video we will learn how to prepare the question like fill in the blanks. Okay, so for that we have two options, whichever you feel easy that you can go for it. So let's begin from the beginning. Just start Chrome, go to Google and search Google Form. Here I have started Google Forms. When you will click on this link, you will reach to this screen. Click on go to forms. After this, I'm going to prepare a new form. That's why I'm going for this plus sign. I'm going to click on this plus sign, click on it. Now new form is appeared. So let me begin from the starting. We'll apply the school name. Okay, I have applied now school name, subject, details you know now, the basic things, right? Then now I'm going to prepare a question. So this question I want of fill in the blanks. So here I can write, okay, I need to add, first you need to enter the student's name, enter your name. I have add this question for the student's name, and let's go to add section. From right side you can add the section. Now new section started. Here we can enter the question, fill in the blanks. This is the main heading of the question, fill in the blanks. So here you have two choices for your things. I'm going to add a question. Okay, so first question I want to add here. So you can do this fill in the blanks with multiple choice or short type of question. So what you prefer, you just see. I'll show two question with multiple choice, two question with a short type of answer. But here you need to enter first the instructions when if you want to use short type of answer for a fill in the blanks, then you can enter here. Please fill in the blanks only small letters. Okay, so students will write capital letter, then answer may get wrong. So you also orally have to instruct the students before the test, and in the test paper you need to add the instructions. All the answers should be written in small letter, like that you can give the instruction with the question. And now we will go for the question. Dash is known as brain of computer. Okay, so in dash students will fill the answer. So you can go for multiple choice question or short type. So here I'm going to select, it would be good if you'll go for short. Okay, now our question is prepared and this is short type of question. And if you want to make it compulsory, just click on require button. I want to add next question. Full form of GB is dash byte. Full form of GB is dash byte. This is the second question. Again, we need to specify this is short answer questions. So here I have prepared two questions, and this also I want compulsory for the students to attempt. So this is ready. Two questions I have prepared. You can add as many questions you want. Now we can specify the answers for this. If you want to get checked automatically these answers, so you can just go for the setting, go to the setting, and here at the last tab you just click and make it on as a quiz. Okay, and just do save, and come at the downside. When you will click on a question, it will show you the answer key here. So you need to fill answer key. Make it sure when you are typing answer key, that also should be in small letter. So answer is CPU. First answer is CPU. I'll go for the second question. It is giga. It is gigabyte. Okay, so answers I have feed. Let me allow the points marks for this question as well as for this question. So now here two questions are ready for the fill in the blanks. This way you can add as many you want. Now we will add the section, and second option I'll show. This is also fill in the blanks. Okay, and here we don't want to get response from the students. I'm doing undo because this is added before the question. I don't want the section here, that's why I'm doing undo again. So let's check that section is removed or not. Okay, this section we can shift it down. It is down already. This question actually it came here, so I just can take it to this. Okay, I shifted the question now. Now let's check second session. We will go fill in the blanks once again. Now with the help of multiple choice question, same question I'm going to add with the plus sign. Question is here. Dash is a brain of computer. Okay, take multiple choice question, and students will select just option from this. CPU, second option mouse, third monitor, and fourth none of these. Second question, let me add the second question. Go to plus sign, and then you can do second question. Our second question was full form of GB is full form of is dash byte. So options we can give giga, second option gate byte, go byte, and none of these. You can add fourth option also. Okay. So here we have prepared the question paper, fill in the blanks in two different forms, with short type of question and with multiple choice question. So how you want to make for the students, it's up to you, but it's look good this one. But I recommend that for lower classes, don't let them allow to type. So in this form they need to type the answers, and there is again it is case sensitive, capital letter, small letter, so students may make mistakes, and after typing the right answer also they may get a wrong result. So better for the small students you can go for this. In higher classes you can prefer no problem this one, but all these things you can instruct. Take a small test before the main test, practice test you can conduct of the students, and you can proceed with this. So let's add the answers for this. Answers are remain. Go to answer key. The first one CPU is right and point, done. Second question, add the answer key, and giga is right, 0.1, and done. Now let's see how it would appear for the students. Go to demo, preview, enter your name, ABCD, next. Now fill in the blanks, they need to write the answers here. CPU and giga. Okay, now you just observe this one thing. I have typed here in small letter giga. Okay, and there I have typed capital letter giga. G is capital in my answer key. Remember this. Okay, after the end result we will see result of this. CPU and giga. Submit. View the score. So student has scored 3 out of 4. Whether the answer, all the answers are right. This giga also right. But what we have prepared in the question paper, what spelling we have wrote for the second answer key. What is the answer key for this? GIAA. Same. Spellings are same. Only here I typed capital letter and student has typed small letter. So it is showing error. Means that question it is though right, answer is right, but for the student it is result is getting wrong because of case sensitive. Here I type. So you also make it sure, just make it G small here in answer key. You also write the answer key in small letters only. When you are typing in mobile or making in the mobile, first letter automatically get capital. So be aware of that. So it would be again easy for the students. And do it again, once again refresh and we'll check. So you can check after doing refresh, no problem. So this way you can prepare the fill in the blanks questions. So see you in the next week, next video again with the another option, that is another question, match the pairs.